Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 29. Let's start. Alright, we need to collect 10 cats. We have 9 more to go. Number 2 is there. Yes, alright. Number 3.
Nice.
Okay, number 4. We need 6 more. Here is number 5.
Excellent.
Number 6. This is going really fast. All right, number 7. That's good. Okay, number 8. All right, number 9.
Unbelievable.
And number 10.
Unbelievable.
All right, thank you for watching.